Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a jewelry unboxing from Julia & Co. Jewelry. I have the package right here, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm not in my usual setting. I am not in my room right now. I'm actually in a hotel room. But I'm going to be doing this unboxing, and I wanted to open this so badly, but I had to wait till I got to the hotel room to open it. So now I can finally open it, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. But I'm going to open it up now. I don't have scissors, so I have to rip it open. I opened it up, and then the first thing inside is a card. So it's a thank you card. I don't think I'm gonna read what it says, but I'll read it, but I'm not gonna read it out loud. This is what the card looks like. She wrote on the other side of it, but I'm just not gonna show that. So this is the card, and then on the inside we have the items. Oh, they're in these cute little baggies. So they come in these little white baggies. Okay, I don't have the name of these items memorized, but I'll put them on the screen. If you guys want 15% off of her jewelry, then use the code 15OFF on her Etsy, and I'll also link her Etsy down below. But this is the first thing that I got out of the package, and it's in this clear little baggie. And here's how it looks. Like I said, I don't know the name of these things, so I'll put the name on the screen, because I do know that they all have like different names. So I put it on my thumb, and that's how it looks. It looks super cute, and it actually matches the rings I'm wearing right now, because usually I wear silver rings, so this one matches perfectly. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Here, I'll take it off one more time so you guys can see it closer up. It just has like a little yellow stone. Next, in this little baggie, we have these earrings. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So they just look like this. They're little gold butterflies. Once again, I don't know the name of this, so it'll be somewhere on the screen, but this is how they look. Okay, they just look like this. They're little butterflies, and they're so cute. I like these for my second piercing. I'm gonna put them on so you guys can see what they look like on. And then the back looks like this, in case you guys wondered what the back looked like. Right now I just have pearl earrings in. I'm gonna take these out so I can put these ones in. Okay, I have one of them in. It just looks like this. It's a little butterfly. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one now. And this is how it looks. It's a little butterfly. And then that's them on both sides. And then the last thing in this little baggie is the ear cuff. It looks like this. I love ear cuffs because I only have my second piercings, so I like having ear cuffs since they look like another piercing. All these things are packaged super nicely. So the ear cuff looks like this. It's like a chain design. I don't know the name of this, so I'll put the name up on the screen. I'll take this one off, and I'll put this one on so it can match with the earrings. So here is what the ear cuff looks like on. I put it right here, and then it looks really good with the butterfly earrings. Once again, it comes in this little white baggie. These are really nice because you can use them for other things. When I go traveling, I like putting my jewelry in little bags like this. That way it's all in one spot. And then this is the last thing. Once again, I'll put the name somewhere on the screen, but it looks like this. And the clip has a gold back to it, and then it has like a pink marble design. I really like this design. And then it's just a little clip. I'll show you guys what it looks like in my hair. This is so cute because it's like so simple, but it gives a really cute look to the hair. I really love all the things that she sent. I really recommend you guys buy from Julia & Co. She sells really good quality items, and she packages everything very nicely. And like I said, I'll link her Etsy down below so you guys can check out her shop. But that was it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!